The path to financial success is a snooze fest. What do I mean by that? It means working, contributing to your retirement plan month in, month out. It means investing in an asset allocation plan based on how many years you have until retirement. Asset allocation plan meaning how much money you have proportionately dedicated to stocks, bonds, and cash, and you spend less than you make. You have an emergency fund. You have savings for known expenses. The emergency funds are for unknown expenses. That's why it's an emergency fund. And the rest gets invested. The successful investors I work with, they, along their financial journey, the sleeping tour, the boring financial journey, didn't pay attention to interest rate hikes. They didn't pay attention to if inflation goes up or not. They didn't hang on to every single earnings announcement from every single company in the S&P 500. What they did is they just followed smart, practical, personal finance habits. The road to success is a snooze fest, and that's exactly the way it should be.